Hey guys, welcome to my Diwali vlog. Diwali is the festival of lights. It requires a lot of preparation, cleaning, decluttering, shopping, cooking, decorating. There is so much to do. Festivals bring hope and joy. They make us feel alive. With everything going on in the world and in our lives, all we need is positivity. After cleaning the house, we took a quick trip to Ross because we wanted to buy something on Dhanteras. Because as Hindus, we believe that on this auspicious day, buying new utensils and jewelry will bring good luck in our lives. Lord Kubera and Goddess Lakshmi are worshipped by Hindus, and that's why we went shopping on Dhanteras. And here you can see us. This is the next evening, which is Choti Diwali. We came to Patel Brothers. We wanted to buy diyas and puja samagri, sweets, everything we needed for Diwali. After shopping at Patel's, we went to Sai Baba temple and prayed there. After temple, we came to Dollar Tree because we wanted to buy some decor items for Diwali. And guys, look at these beautiful candles at Dollar Tree. I was very confused, but I was going for red and gold theme, so just picked a few things, and here you can see what I bought on screen. Diwali is all about cooking and making sweets, you guys, and homemade sweets are the best. Gulab jamun and jalebi, these are two of my favorite sweets of all times. And Diwali day, me and my husband together as a team cooked a lot of food because we invited one of our friends that night, so we had to prepare so many things. On Diwali day, we spent our day cooking in the kitchen, getting ready for daytime puja and creating a backdrop for photo shoot. My hubby went to buy more candles and other necessities we forgot to do before. By then it was already evening. We all got ready for evening puja, bathing, making everything. Took so much time, and finally we were ready for the celebration. Candles and diyas were lit. Balcony looked stunning after the colorful string lights were lit. Home was all glammed up and everything looked so beautiful. I didn't make rangoli this year but used the color to make swastik. We performed our puja, did aarti. Diwali is not complete without sparklers. But we don't support firecrackers because it's not good for environment. We kept it very simple. And that's how we celebrated our Diwali. As you can see, this is the outfit that I wore, and the jewelry you can see on screen. It is such a beautiful suit, and I love my jewelry so much. Everything was good. When our friends came over, we had such a nice time together, had dinner together, and clicked photos, spent so much time, and it was overall a good Diwali celebration. They liked the decor, and we really had fun. I have learned to appreciate little things in our lives that make us happy. I'm not waiting for anything big to happen to make me happy. I just enjoy little things and every little beautiful moment that we have together. And that's how we celebrated our Diwali, guys. I hope you liked it. Please watch this video till end because you will see so much more. And I'll catch you guys later in my next one. Till then, bye bye. Take care. I love you and I hope you all had a beautiful Diwali. Until next time, bye bye.